Okay, guys, we will do the remaining paper. Okay, yeah, second Roman first question. Second Roman first question is 1 by secant square 51 plus cos square 39. I have discussed this model already. I have discussed this model in the class, and if you see the videos of me model in model paper explanation one, it is there. Same model, not same question. Okay, cos square 39 plus cot square 51 minus 1 by cos square 51 cosecant square 39 equal to what if secant 39 equal to p. Okay, our clue is this: secant 39 equal to p. That means we'll try to convert this 51 into 39 complementary angles. Okay, yeah, no problem, you can take anything. For comfort, I will take this, I will convert into 39. Okay, yes, secant square complementary 51 39 51 39 is a complementary angle. Okay, for secant square 51, secant complementary angle is what? Cosecant. So secant 51 is now cosecant square 39. I can write like that. Okay, this one cot square 51 complementary angle is tan square 39. I can write like this. Next, cos square 51 I can write like this: sin square 39. If you clearly observe, sin square 39 cosecant square 39 are reciprocal, it's cancelled. So directly here 1 minus tan square 39, I am rewriting the equation, plus cos square 39 plus 1 by cosecant square 39. 1 by cosecant square 39 is nothing but cosecant reciprocal is sin. So sin square 39. If you clearly observe, sin square 39 plus cos square 39, sin square 39 plus cos square 39 equal to 1. So 1 is here, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 minus 1 0. So remaining one is tan square 39. That big monster question gives a simple equation, tan square 39. But what he has given, secant 39. Secant 39 is equal to p. So what is tan square 39 is asking. Secant 39, tan 39. We have identity that is called secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From this we can find this tan square. Okay, if I place secant in place of theta 39, secant square 39 minus tan square 39. Now tan square 39 is what? Tan square 39, tan square 39, tan square 39. Move this side, tan square 39. Secant square 39 minus 1. Secant square 39 minus 1. So what is secant 39? It's p. Secant 39 is p. P square minus 1. That's it. Now the answer is tan square 39 is p square minus 1. The whole thing based on only complementary angles concept. When two angles are complementary, sin will be cos, sin of one angle will be cos of another angle, tan of one angle is cot of another angle, complementary angle pair. This is if a plus b equal to 90, then sin a equal to cos b, tan a equal to cot b, next secant a equal to cosecant b. That is the only concept. If this concept is very important, examiner favorite concept is this one only. Even my favorite concept also that only. Okay. Yes. Next question. Next question is this. Write all the derivatives of secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Write all the derivatives. Video class Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Question is this: secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is a trigonometric identity 3 actually. So I am asking what are the outputs from this. Nobody has written this. It's a bacha problem. Okay. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Write all the possible outputs. Move this side, move this side. That's it. If you move secant square theta that side, what will happen? If you move tan square theta that side, what will happen? If you move 1 this side, what will happen? That's only I am asking. Okay? Nobody has written. First of all, move tan square theta this side. So the answer will be, first of all, we'll see this. This is in the form of a square minus b square. I can write like this: a plus b into a minus b. So this a plus b into a minus b, here a square, a is secant theta, b is tan theta. So directly secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 means secant theta plus tan. I can write secant square minus tan square theta like secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. I can write like this. So what I have said, this secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1. If secant theta is x, for making equal to 1, what should be multiplied? 1 by x. That's why I am saying they are reciprocal. So if secant theta plus tan theta equal to x, secant theta minus tan theta should be 1 by x. That's why I can say secant theta plus tan theta comma secant theta minus tan theta are reciprocals are multiplicative inverses to each other. Yeah, we have problems based on this question also. If it is p, secant theta plus tan theta is p, secant theta minus tan theta will be 1 by p. I have told you so many times. Nobody is writing, nobody is studying. That's it. Okay. Very good. Good students. Excellent. Next, if you move tan square theta that side, secant square theta will be move tan square theta that side, minus tan square theta is becoming like 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. If you move square root that side, secant theta will be square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Yes, this is one output, this is one output. Next, if you move this tan square theta that side, 1 this side, if you move 1 this side, okay, then secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. From this I can say tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. Now secant square theta minus 1 can be write like this, by a square minus b square formula, secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. So tan theta is now becoming like secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. These are the outputs. Why you are not writing? That's up to you. So bacha question, just from this only I am writing. I am not creating anything here, new here. I am not creating any new thing. Okay, yes. Then okay, that's only. That's a simple thing. Next question is this. Simplify square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Simplify this. So if you want to simplify, you have to rationalization here. Already I told you this formula, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. We are using this formula for rationalization. This is very important formula. So this is 1 minus sin A is there, 1 a minus b, like a minus b. So I am multiplying with 1 minus sin A is there, right? I am rationalizing with 1 plus sin a minus b into a plus b, 1 plus a, 1 plus sin A. Multiplicating and dividing with 1 plus sin A. That's it. So if you multiply this, split this square to both sides, square root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin square A with the square root. So directly square and root will be cancelled. Root a by b, square root of a by b equal to root a by root b. Okay, this is the formula. For clarification I am telling. Okay, so now 1 plus sin A will be here, 1 plus sin A by what is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. If you want how, go to this identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, then move this sin square A that side, cos square will be 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A, that's it. So square root of cos square A, square root will be cancelled. So directly the answer is 1 plus sin A by, you have to have a clear idea about identities. Identities are very important. Please practice identities bachcha. Okay, 1 plus sin A by cos A. So split this cos A, 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. I can write like this, right? So 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. That is the answer. It's a simple one. Nobody is doing. If this is the situation, I may leave the. No problem. I am losing my interest, man. So fourth question is this one. secant q plus tan q equal to 4. I have already told you the first question is this one. The first question is this one only. Then why are you not doing? I don't know. Secant q plus tan q equal to 4. I am asking what is q? Cos q. Bacha question. See, if secant, I have already told you in the what do you call identity, right? Secant q plus tan q. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to 4, what about this? Secant theta minus secant q minus tan q will be reciprocal of this one. If it is x, 1 by x. If it is 4, 1 by 4. If it is p, 1 by p. That's it. So if you sum of this, add this, so directly the symbols won't change here. Tan q cancel. Secant q kissing 2 secant q equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. This 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 secant q is nothing but 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 7, 17, 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. What about secant q? This into 2 will be by that side, okay? 17 by 4 into 2, which is nothing but 17 by 8. What I have asked? Cos q, bacha. Reciprocal of secant q. Reciprocal of secant q is cos q. So cos q will be reciprocal of secant q. Reciprocal of secant q means reciprocal of this number is nothing but 8 by 17. That's all about the paper, man. You are not showing any interest. I am losing interest gradually. So the consequences only should be consequences of this only we have to bear. Okay, that's it. That's all about paper. Okay, bye. Thank you.